Kitchens presents Creative Cooking. In this series, we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs as they demonstrate how to prepare some of their favorite dishes. And now, here is today's host.
Hello there, welcome to Creative Cooking. We all love desserts and chocolate. Well, what better way is there to indulge after a stressful work week? If you're looking for new treats, then our recipe for spicy chocolate volcano is exactly what you're looking for. Here to guide us through this explosion of chocolate is Chef Armando Mercado, the Corporate Pastry Chef at Grand Bahia Principe. Chef, welcome to Creative Cooking.
Welcome, glad to be back.
Tell us about the dish you're making for us today.
Okay, the dish what I'm gonna make today is one of the famous desserts what we have in Grand Bahia.
Yes.
We call it chocolate volcano with lava of spicy chocolate truffle.
Yes.
It's actually the new dessert that I invented that is getting very well back in Grand Bahia.
Yeah. I noticed that black pepper is one of the ingredients in this dish.
Yeah, it's black pepper powder.
Okay.
Is the one I use for to make it just a little bit kick, you know, on the taste of the chocolate truffle.
Okay.
First of all, what I'm gonna need is the chocolate. I have to make it, put it in the microwave. It's actually the most better way to, there's two ways how to make melt the chocolate.
Yes.
One is for water bath, this is Bain Marie, and the other one is to do it in the microwave. I'm gonna separate egg yolk and egg white.
Okay.
Egg white is, I'm gonna mix it up later by making a meringue.
Okay. And in making the meringue, as you know, it's key that none of the yolk should get in the white, right?
That's right. So this is gonna be here. And sugar. I'm gonna start this one now because it's always good.
Tastes like the wild.
Tastes wild. So now that the chocolate is already soft, I'm gonna add some butter.
Is that unsalted butter?
Unsalted butter. Well, when you gonna do baking with out of chocolate, you have to make sure that you buy cooking chocolate or dark bitter chocolate.
Okay.
Because if it is a dark bitter chocolate, the taste of the chocolate will be more stronger taste.
Yes.
Once you mix it up with anything, you mix it up with cream, you mix it up with flour, and when it is dark bitter chocolate, it means stain the flavor of the chocolate. Okay, that's what I have already on the flour.
Okay. I take it you're using, it looks like cake flour to me.
Yeah, this is a cake flour. This is the base of the chocolate volcano.
Okay.
Hold it on. Now, while we beating the egg white, I'm gonna melt up now the another part of the chocolate to make the lava of the chocolate.
I take it you want me to whisk this until stiff peaks are formed?
Yeah. So the one I just put now is the egg yolk on the mix. I just put the egg yolk inside the chocolate mixture. And that is the a little bit of a spicy black pepper.
What is that, Chef?
Spicy black pepper.
Okay. Tell us what you're doing there now.
Okay, this one is the mixture of the truffles.
Okay.
A little cream.
Using about a cup of cream.
Yeah. And a little bit of butter.
But we just want to point out that you did a mixture before and put that to bake, right?
And that's the pepper powder that I just add. And then now, once you have this one ready, you have to put this in the freezer. And then after that, you have to make little balls out of this mix.
Okay.
Okay. I have one here ready, like what I made it before.
Okay. So what you just put in the freezer, you did a batch before?
Yeah. We fold together.
That will trap a lot of air in that.
Yes. And then after that, we put it in. I have here a timbal mold. You only have to put half. Then after that, we're gonna put the balls of this little chocolate spicy truffles in the middle, and then we put the rest of the mix. Okay. We're gonna put over here. Yeah. And then we have to bake it in the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
So this will be how gonna look like the volcano of chocolate once it's baked. Okay. And with this one, always I serve it with a little bit of vanilla ice cream, you know. Okay. There you go, the dessert. The volcano, chocolate volcano with lava of chocolate truffle. So this is a kind of dessert that you don't even know that there is a chocolate inside that's coming out, you see?
Awesome. That's the only word I can use to describe it. And the black pepper with it,
Yeah.
divine. You need to taste what I am tasting in this kitchen. Only a master pastry chef could produce this work of art.
Thank you.
Chef, this was excellent.
I hope you like it.
This is Chef Season on Creative Cooking, and we hope you enjoyed today's show. Join us every Monday morning at 7:35 as we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs, demonstrating some of their favorite dishes here on Smile Jamaica, It's Morning Time. Chef Season continues next Monday morning on Creative Cooking, 7:35 on TVJ, and with a repeat at 2:50 p.m. every Sunday afternoon. Don't miss it.